Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. So far, we've built your bio and showcased your social media stats. Now it's time to take your site to the next level by adding your best brand collaboration testimonials. If you're still new and are still starting out, no worries, you can just skip this step. But for those who do have experience in working with brands, well, this is how you can add a testimonial section to your media kit site. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Add section and go to Testimonials. Select a testimonials section that you'd like to use. Drag and drop it to your page and use these arrow buttons to move it up or down depending on where you want to place it. Now, click on it and click on this pencil button or the quick edit button. And on the right side panel, start inputting your testimonials. Make sure to use genuine reviews or testimonies only and include the person or the brand you've worked with. Adding a picture of them would also make the testimonials more credible. If you want to learn how to add a picture, go to Media on the left. Of course, you're going to have to upload your media first, so go ahead and do that. Once you successfully upload your media, you can click on it and click on Add to Page. Resize it properly. Click on it and click on Crop. And change its shape to any shape of your choice. And basically just repeat the process until you finish putting photos on your testimonials. So that's just a demonstration. I'm just going to delete these. Once you're done, review everything to make sure that everything is accurate. And once everything's all good, click on Save to save your changes. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.